Since we're on the topic of vacay, if you guys can guess down below where we'll be heading on vacation, to give you guys a little hint, because there's hundreds of countries that we can go to, but to give you guys a little hint to make the guess easier for you, we're going to a hot country. I love this. Let's see what the guesses will be down below.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Yeah! I'm so noisy, Jaja. It's like every time I pick up the camera I get extra energy. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say morning, husband.
Morning, people.
Morning, people. Say good morning, kitties.
One.
Where are we going?
I go to the garage.
You go to the garage. You went to the garage. Where are we going right now? You're going tie shoes. You're going to slide and swing. She's right. She know that we're explaining to her that we're going. She know that the slide and the swing is there, and she knows that I'm going to buy shoes for Tyler. Yes. Yes, I see Papa in the photo. She's too funny. Yes, he's driving. You guys, how are you doing? We are heading to a little shopping. I need to get my boy some shoes. Tyler have almost 0 shoes. He have 1 shoes for going out for school, and he have 1 okay one for going out. Not so okay, but kinda. He have 1 that won't fit him in the next few years that my mom bought. Tyler's growing up so much, and I need some shoes for my boy. And I'm also shopping for shoes for him because we're going on vacation soon. We're going on a little vacay. So since we're on the topic of vacay, if you guys can guess down below where we'll be heading on vacation, to give you guys a little hint, because there's hundreds of countries that we can go to, but to give you guys a little hint to make the guess easier for you, we're going to a hot country. I love this. Let's see what the guesses will be down below. Okay, somebody get it. Yes, you want? Okay, see 2 here. See 3.
More about here.
Yeah, but I'm showing you the parking spaces. Okay, so we're going to a hot country, and let's see who will get it right. Anyway, we have a few things to do on the road today. We'll be on the road for quite a while today, so I'll be trying to take you guys around with us while we run these errands today, shawty. So see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Catch up and keep up, and subscribe if you're new to the fam bam girl. We'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day, shawty. As I hang up, Tyler said he wanted to give another hint to you guys, so here we go. What's the hint?
The country we're going.
You can't give them an easy hint or else they're gonna get it, so think about your hint.
A lot of the colors is not on the flag, huh? But a lot of the colors is red, yellow, and green.
Red, yellow, and green. Okay. Alright, I don't know if that hint will help, but let's go with hint number 2. So we're trying this one. Okay. Stella, hurry. Put your foot in. Voila, you look like a little kid now.
But did you look like a little
You don't look
kid?
like you're struggling. The big boot, look at that compared to this. Get up. Walk, go over there so normal. And come back. How it feel? Lunchtime at McDonald's with the crew. winter shopping. Ended up getting 2 nice shoes for Tyler. I'll try and show you guys them later. And I got 1 shoes for Sarah. And then I went and got my mac and cheese at the place I normally buy mac and cheese. The kids play a little bit in the slide. And now we're having lunch at Mr. Donald's. Mr. Donald's.
Mama?
Yes.
We're in Mr. Donald's stomach.
Okay.
And I'm waiting for Mr. Donald's to eat.
So you can get the food? You're funny. And then we're gonna head back home real quick because Tyler is heading to one of his friend's birthday celebration, but he's in town at some theater that we need to drop in. So we're gonna eat, head home to wrap the little boy's gift, and then head to town. So it's a long day, So you guys, everything changed at McDonald's. They stopped giving paper things with the chicken in it, with the fries. The fries now come in these rewashable, recyclable thing. Even my salad come in this. The salad come in this bowl, and the juice come in these cups. So they're washable. Well, I guess. The only thing is that you can't carry your leftovers anymore, and the good thing is that it's more healthy for the environment, less plastic and papers and
Started with the
straw.
straw.
And they don't even give you a straw anymore.
The only trick, as you say, is
You can't carry if the kids' nuggets finish. And normally in France you get a lot of fries in your box, and now the fries is a little bit less. So
This one.
yeah, that's a toy. When you finish eat, you get it, okay? Anyway, you guys, let's eat because we gotta go. Has arrived at his spot. He's going to be seeing Cat in Boot with his friends. Puss in Boot. I know it's just me say Cat in Boot. Puss in Boots. You gonna have fun, Ty? Yes. You ready to see your friend? Where's your gift? Where's your gift for your friend? Who have it? I forget it. You see, I know it's a joke. So we're at this cinema. It's the first time I'm coming to this one. So it's pretty big. Good size. There's a lot of people here. Waiting to see his group arriving. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go to the park.
You want to go to the park?
Yeah.
Okay, we go to the park soon, okay? Hi guys, I am back home with my hair crazy right now. Anyway, today was the first weekend of sale period here in France. There's sale, we have sale intervals, I think 2 times for the year. It's not banana, it's green plantain. Put it down. Mama gonna make them for dinner. Today is the first weekend of the winter sale, so we went on the road. I deliberately waited on this time to get some shoes for Tyler mostly, but I get more than just that. I always wanted one of these jackets, and I finally got me a nice jacket thanks to my husband. He got me this jacket, and this jacket cost only 25 euro because it was on sale. I was so surprised when I went to the cashier, where I thought the sale price was €50 because the original price behind it is covered. When I go to the cashier, the lady said €25. I'm like, really? She said, yep. I'm like, okay, thank you. I should go and pick up a second one. And I told the guys that we're going on vacation, so I wanted some new shoes. So I got myself new shoes.
Flash news.
Flash news.
New shoes.
Nothing new. Melon shoes, and I got myself a nice little flippity flop. You guys know I'm not a flip flop kind of girl, but you know, a girl must have a few little flip flop in the wardrobe. So I got that for myself. So the summer shopping has begun. And what did I get? I got Tyler 2 nice shoes. So I get Tyler this beautiful sneakers, which was also on sale. Everything that I'm showing you guys, I got them on sale. So my shoes was €30. My slippers was €25. These sneakers for Tyler was I think 15. Sarah, don't let me slap you. Share your tablet with Tyler. So got this black sneakers for Tyler. He finally got himself a black sneakers. I got this black sneakers for Sarah. And I got this white sneakers for Tyler. And let me tell you guys something. When I'm getting things for me and the kids, I cannot buy nothing for my husband. You know why? He's gonna say he doesn't want it, So what I do is when I go on the road myself, I buy things for him and bring it back when he's not there. I cannot shop for him when he's around. So his vacation shoes is coming, but I cannot buy it while he's with me. It's not possible. So hear him, he have so much shoes. So that's why I cannot buy anything for babe. Nothing. I can't buy. When I say nothing, I cannot buy nothing for him when he's there. Everything that you see my husband with, I buy them, and I have to buy them when he's not there, because he's gonna tell you he have already and he don't want anymore. That's all the shopping that I did. Now we're back. Tyler had so much fun at his friend's birthday. Now I'm back and it's time for dinner. I'm going to whip up some green plantain, and I found some chicken breast, so I'm going to do a quick stir fry stew, and then I'm going to cook a little pack of macaroni and cheese, so if the kids don't want the green pressed plantain, they can have that. But anyway, that's what's going on right now. Alright, you guys, me on a boat, you know. Cooking is happening. I'm running about, okay? So green plantains. First fry done, then we salt them, and then we're gonna fry them a second time. So we fry them. If you guys don't know how to do the Jamaican way of frying green plantains, so we fry them, then we press them. We'll use whatever you wish to use to press it, then you salt it, and then they're going back for a second and final fry on both sides, and then the green plantain is done. Funny enough, on my food channel, this video, how to make Jamaican green pressed plantain, almost have 1 million views. Is my best viewed video on my food channel. And then over here to go with it, tell you some things are going on now. Yeah, girl, we're doing some quick stew stir fry chicken breast, tender, nice, ready just in time for the plantain. Okay, you guys, and that's how we ended the night. Lie, that's not true. We ended the night by having movie night with the kids. We started designated Saturday night movie night with the kids, where we choose something on Disney and watch with them with popcorns and just have nice family nights. So on Saturday nights, that's where you can catch us these days. But we have a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little outing with us. If you did, which I'm sure you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up. And of course, we'll see you guys
later.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, yeah. It's another day and I'm ending this vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.